If we go to plot each of these points on the graph, we can rule out A. 0, -1 helps us rule out C. And then 3, 1 is not on D. So D is the only one that contains all of those points. So the scale on all these graphs, so we're counting by 2's. So -2, -2. Actually helps us out quite a bit because we can rule out these two, and C doesn't look like it's a perfect match. Do the next one, 0, 2, and that should be here. So we've ruled out C as well, and D is the answer. So we're looking for zeros at 2, which is x minus 2, here at -3, which is x plus 3, and here at -1, which is x plus 1. Notice the difference where this one just straight up crosses the x-axis, and these two approach and bounce back. We're going to square those, and that's why the answer is C. What value of x is f of x equal to 0? So they're saying x equals blank when y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 at these 3 points. That's -2, 1, and 2. The only one that shows up here is 1. If f of a is equal to 0, a is some value that makes y equal to 0. So the possible values here, 2, 4, and 8. Any one of those would be right. So we're not finding zeros, we're finding at what point do we get a y value of k 3 times. So if we were to draw a horizontal line, like this, it's going to cross the graph 1, 2, 3 times. So it's going to be somewhere right around these two curves. 2 is way up here, 0 is way up there, -2 is not close enough, -3 fits.